Best 15 Outbound Lead Generation and Marketing Agencies in 2024. AnyBiz. Discover the best B2B outbound lead generation and marketing agencies to enhance your business prospects in 2024. Outbound marketing agencies can significantly boost your business growth. 1. AnyBiz leads the B2B lead generation field with AI-driven sales agents, providing personalized interactions and innovative features like unique prospect sequences and multi-channel outreach. With a vast prospect database and seamless CRM integration, AnyBiz is revolutionizing lead generation globally. 2. CIENCE specializes in outbound and inbound sales development representative (SDR) services, powered by innovative AI-driven campaign and conversational technologies. Key features: multi-channel outbound campaigns, conversational AI, artificial voice SDR, data-driven analytics. 3. Belkins specializes in top-tier lead generation and deal closure, providing effective lead research, outreach, and appointment setting services. Key features include appointment setting, demand generation, cold email outreach, sales development, and LinkedIn marketing. 4. Apollo.io provides a robust sales intelligence and engagement platform, equipping sales and marketing teams with B2B database access and AI-driven insights. Key features include sales intelligence, lead scoring, sales engagement, CRM enrichment, and conversation intelligence. 5. WebFX is a renowned digital marketing agency, recognized for crafting tailored strategies and achieving tangible online success. Its key features include custom digital marketing strategies, a focus on revenue generation, multi-channel marketing, proprietary technology, and an award-winning team. 6. Sales Pro Leads excels in custom B2B lead generation for the tech sector, offering tailored strategies and appointment setting services. Key features include customized lead generation, qualified sales intelligence, appointment setting, and targeted market programs. 7. RevBoss specializes in outbound prospecting, utilizing targeted email and advertising outreach to fuel new business pipeline growth. Its key features include targeted outbound prospecting, email and ad channel outreach, sales pipeline development, market exploration, and seamless sales process integration. Key. Sales Panel provides B2B lead identification and tracking software, utilizing data-driven marketing strategies to convert visitors into customers. Key features include buyer intent data collection, data platform management, account identification, real-time lead alerts, and lead scoring. 9. UpLead offers real-time verified B2B contact data, prioritizing accuracy and transparency to streamline prospecting. Its key features include prospector, data enrichment, email verification, technographics, and a Chrome extension. 10. Callbox specializes in global B2B marketing and sales support, focusing on account-based marketing and multi-channel lead generation. Key features include B2B lead generation, account-based marketing, event marketing services, multi-channel lead generation, and global lead generation. 11. Cognism offers sales intelligence solutions, empowering businesses with tools for targeted list building, data enrichment, and buyer intent insights. Key features include Prospector, Enhance, Chrome extension, intent data, and integrations. 12. RocketReach is a trusted contact database platform renowned for its extensive database. It offers key features like bulk email verification, disposable email detection, domain validation, mail server validation, and spam trap detection. 13. LeadGeneration.com offers bespoke lead campaigns and prompt lead delivery, complemented by comprehensive analysis to drive business expansion. Key features include tailored lead generation campaigns, immediate lead delivery, complementary lead analysis, sales research, and CRM integration. 14. Ignite Visibility excels as a top-tier digital marketing agency, providing a comprehensive suite of services such as SEO, paid media, social media, email marketing, and CRO conversion rate optimization. 15. Markasy, a digital strategy firm specializing in media buying, strategy, creative solutions, e-commerce optimization, and custom services. In the realm of outbound lead generation and marketing agencies, AnyBiz shines as an innovator with its AI-driven approach. It redefines industry standards, offering not just services, but a partnership for growth and success. Don't delay. Experience the future of lead generation with AnyBiz today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.